Hey, my name is Charlotte. I am a digital presenter for the PartsIPS. Today, I am going to talk about Frigidaire COVER-CRISPER PAN, part number 242120508. The Frigidaire COVER-CRISPER PAN, part number 242120508 is a replacement part for refrigerators. It is a plastic cover that fits over the crisper pan in the refrigerator. The cover helps to keep moisture and humidity levels in the refrigerator at an optimal level, while also preventing food from spilling out of the crisper pan. The cover is made of durable plastic and is designed to fit most Frigidaire refrigerators. It is easy to install and comes with all necessary hardware for installation. This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is a replacement crisper pan cover for a refrigerator. It fixes the symptom of a broken or cracked crisper pan cover. Here is how you install this part. 1. Unplug the refrigerator from the wall outlet. 2. Remove the old crisper pan by pulling it out of the refrigerator. 3. Place the new crisper pan in its place and make sure it is securely in place. 4. Plug the refrigerator back into the wall outlet and turn it on. 5. Test 2. Make sure that the new crisper pan is working properly by opening and closing it several times to ensure that it is functioning correctly. You can buy this part from www.partsips.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsips.com.
Visit www.partsips.com to order residential appliance parts.